Ships on vigor of the waves of skimming barren summits to the verdant plains. Each horizon is a new beginning, rise and rain. Far from the fjords and the ice-cold currents, brave and soar over new frontiers. Songs and sagas of a Petite term, shields and spears. Vows of favor of the thrill of plunder, pulled together for the clan and kin. Clank of hammers and the crash of thunder, pound within. Oh, the echoes of eternity. Valhalla calling me.
What are those?
Pluck the strings of destiny.
Oh, God. Yeah.
The rubber bush thing,
Sleeve. This is how you get this off of here? Okay.
Yeah. That ain't so much weight pushing this thing down, and I got put it back
Bouncing.
up. Yeah.
The roughness here. You can't. You gotta have a Allen or a screwdriver, but there's a screw to take this thing off.
Yeah.
Take the rubber bushings, put all this shit in the saddlebag, and there's nothing to fall off of here.
No.
No.
A little rubber band right here. Here you go.
There you go. That'll go along with your squeak. Give you a little rhythm there. Yeah.
I've been dreaming hard in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating.
You gotta remember to pause this for lunch.
Thank you.
Nothing major so far. Those mirrors are repairable. I drill a little hole, super glue it, and put a 2mm Allen screw through it and leave the whole thing glued together. That's what I did here. But they're sticking out. I mean.
Oh, what's the mirror? I know you found the mirror on the ground.
No, it's my mirror here.
How did you get it out there? Oh, did it hang on your sleeve or something?
No, and I probably, yeah, maybe. Or who knows? It might have fell off and was on my lap or something.
I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming.
Ooh. Well, that was an adventure. I think when we stop for lunch, I'm going to switch mirrors over. Hello, hello, hello. Snow? What the snow? Where does this go? What the hell's with this? Oh. Old Goldfinch Trail. It's just a straight shot. I think it crosses the end of that thing that we were on with the hill and all that.
Oh, you got the other phone, right?
Huh?
You took the other phone.
Yeah, I put it in
Okay,
here.
Yeah.
That mirror looks pretty loose. Could just use a tiny tweak. There's.
Put some super glue on it.
I'll be using the Allen wrench set, so.
It'll make it a little sticky. Film.
See, I think I can replace the mirror if I take this off without having to take the whole thing.
Yeah.
Because I kind of fit them past here, so they're stuck on the handlebar. You know what I mean? I couldn't drill the hole that big. It was, I had a step bit. I just carved it up a little bit. But okay, onward, huh? Oh, you wanted to go check that out? Why not, I guess? We're here. Oh. Oh. Hello. Oh, look where we are. We were way on the other side of this before. We're off route again. Look, here's the sledding hill I was telling you about. Yeah, see the sign? Yeah, look, there's. Take a look. You gotta walk up the trail here. I'm gonna go up there. I want a picture of it. Yeah. Right here. Watch out, it's a lot of vines. Tangle you up. Trip. Step it down. Wish I could do something like that. Yeah, can you see? Yeah. Or are you too short?
I see part of the hill, but not very long. Oh, from here down. I was looking over there.
No, this is
far away. We saw the plane here. Can't see it.
Well, if you walk in further. Yeah. I guess you'd have to ask them. Do you open that in the wintertime?
Winter, this could be all clear. So.
Well, it packs down and dies in the winter. In spring, you ride
This little hill.
Right, yeah.
It'd be nice if it was longer, like 100 yards.
Oh yeah. There's a lot of sledding places out here. Not in here. That's the only one I know of. In here. But we're gonna go in the circle. I don't know what's down here. Oh, nothing. Uh-oh. Are you authorized, Paul? Ah, picnic tables. Yeah, it's the old visitor center, I guess. After not too long. We can go get on the Badger Trail there. Go down that way. think that's the way we go. We'll find out. Yeah, I messed up my derailleur a little.
Is it?
A little. I'll try another gear. Can you move forward a little? Just wanted to get a shot of this. Ah, thinking we were down there.
You're thinking that's flowing, so I don't think you can fly slowly.
No, not in the state park. You can fly over it, but you can't take off or land in it. The air don't belong to that. Everything above ground is FAA. Federal.